Hello everyone. It's great connecting with you. God bless you. Today we are diving into a special part of speech that adds color, detail and life to our sentences. Adjectives. Grab your notebooks and let's get started. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns. They give us more information about objects, people, and places, making our sentences rich and vivid. Adjectives are used with a noun to add something to its meaning. Example: Saurabh is an intelligent boy. Answers the question, what kind of boy is Saurabh? An honest person is respected everywhere. Tells us what kind of person is respected everywhere. In the phrase, the sunny beach, sunny is an adjective because it tells us what kind of beach it is. Now, there are 5 kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality that describe the qualities of a noun. Adjectives of quantity that answer the question how much. Demonstrative adjectives answer the question which one. Possessive adjectives show belonging or possession. And interrogative adjectives answer the question like whose, what and which. Now let's zoom into a special group called the adjectives of quality. These adjectives describe the characteristics or qualities of a noun. They answer the question, what kind? Example: Maharana Pratap was a brave soldier tells us the quality of Maharana Pratap as a soldier. Keshav is a kind boy tells us what kind of boy Keshav is. Let us have a look at some more examples. A tall ancient tree. A delicious hot pizza. Here, tall and ancient describe the tree, and delicious and hot describe the pizza. Each of these adjectives gives us a clear picture of the nouns they are describing. Adjectives of quantity answer the question, how much? Can you spare some money? She did not need any help. These adjectives tell us how much of something there is, but without the exact number. Look at some more examples. Some water. Many books, much excitement. In these examples, some, many, and much are adjectives of quantity. They help us understand the amount but are not specific. Demonstrative adjectives answer the question, which one? This tree does not bear fruits talks about which tree does not bear fruits. That colony is well planned helps us identify the colony that is well planned. Other demonstrative adjectives are these, those, yonder, such. Possessive adjectives show belonging or possession. My, our, your, his, her, its, and their. Example: my house is quite near the school. Are your gloves warm? Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. Whose, what, which, etc. Example: whose purse is lying on the table? What time will the meeting be held? Please pause the video and complete this exercise to identify the adjectives. Once the exercise is complete, you may continue to the next section for solutions. Adjectives are not just words. They are the paintbrushes of language, allowing us to create vivid and detailed pictures with our words. Keep practicing. Thank you for joining me on this adventure in adjectives. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you in the next video.